Good evening, viewers. This is DD Meghalaya. We welcome you to the edition of the news this evening. First, let's have a look at the headlines. PM Modi launches 6 Vande Bharat trains and 650 crore projects in Jharkhand. MP Dr. Ricky A.J. Sinkon visits Dawki Land Port Authority, assesses operations. Meghalaya Assembly Committee inspects industrial plants in East Jantia Hills. Meghalaya Food and Civil Supply Minister Kamingwan Ombon reacted to cow slaughtering issue. HNYF Reboy swears in new leaders for 2024-27 term. Prime Minister Narendra Modi launched 6 Vande Bharat trains and projects totaling over 650 crores in Jharkhand today with an aim to enhance the state's connectivity. He highlighted a 16-fold increase in Jharkhand's railway budget, emphasizing the focus on inclusive development for the poor, Adivasi women and farmers. PM Modi praised the shift from exclusive to inclusive development. Further, he noted that the region's expanded rail services will significantly contribute to its overall development. Dr. Ricky A.J. Sinkon, MP for Shillong, conducted his inaugural visit to the Land Port Authority of India at Dawki's international border yesterday. Accompanied by party leaders, including Party President Aden Miller Bisaimod, Dr. Sinkon observed port operations and met with BSF and Customs officer. Concerns regarding the port operations and development were discussed, with Dr. Sinkon committing to address these issues and closely monitor necessary improvements. The Meghalaya Legislative Assembly's Environment Committee, chaired by Wailat Miki Shilla, inspected cement and coke plants in East Jantia Hills. Shilla stressed the need for environmental preservation and requested comprehensive reports on air quality and industrial activities. Committee members, including Muralbon's Aim, Sosthenes Sotun and Santa Mary Shilla, raised concerns about air quality, worker safety and environmental restoration, calling for stricter regulations and compensatory tree planting. The inspection aimed to ensure sustainable industrial practices.
It has been mandated to follow up issues with regard to environment. So the factory that has been set up, the unit that has been set up here, we have to follow up and to ensure that the public at large, they don't face any difficulties with regard to environment caused through the setting up of factory and different units within this area.
Today, we are here as a responsible citizen of our state. We have a very important task to see that the environment and the economic activity should go side by side. We will keep on checking from time to time because, like I said, we have a responsible to leave a better place, a better environment, a better future for our future generation.
Meghalaya Food and Civil Supply Minister Kamingwan Ombon has reacted strongly to the thought that a group has recently planned to organize a rally in Shillong in the month of October against any cow slaughtering. He said that no one can force the eating habits of people in Meghalaya and no one can even force them to stop cow slaughtering. Further, he said that any restriction on cow slaughtering would also affect the farmers.
पार्टी जी ने आपको संबोधित किया है। जय गौ माता,
गौ माता,
राष्ट्र माता,
गौ माता,
राष्ट्र माता,
गौ माता,
राष्ट्र माता।
I think Meghalaya's maximum is the Christian people. Christian people, they are allowed to eat this beef and all. Listen to people if they didn't want to eat. No need for them to force our people to stop these cow slaughters and all. These cow slaughters also, I think, if you're talking in the length, If you ban this cow slaughter, they will affect the economy of the farmers also. All the farmers, they used to have 10 cow, 15 cow. When they sell it, they will get money, no? Suppose if this cow put like this, then after the overage, it will die. It will not affect the economy of the farmer.
Yesterday, the Election Committee of the United Democratic Party (UDP) Maukarwat Circle elected Jesslyn Roy Nongsit as the candidate for the MDC election from Maukarwat constituency, Southwest Khasi Hills district. Nongsit, the youngest brother of former Maukarwat MDC Bires Nongsit, secured the top position in the internal election, which was open to UDP polling unit presidents, secretaries and executive committee members. Adalbert Yaupnyao came in second. Chairman FD Ramseth stated that the results will be forwarded to the UDP central body, which is expected to confirm Nongsit as the official candidate.
Jom kipai bak kibawan kena kepiting unta ke lek hai dah kecing kemen dah kecing pusam nanti berkhoi om don weru oknyum dan ne oknyum kan thop begini ke saumut ki kandidat kebenan berni kebar ki dah DUI tak mat ya kebar kim sim khonyo marki shania bak proses wala kan ai proses kebar baik tu kata kebar khoi tu kata ya kebar lapun rekam nak skrin balap bat kata skrin balap kena gele ha kata kan dor kata ganti ha kebar kram lap ban ya thau kro kram dan ke thau kro kata grouping haki unit kijungi andre kila lebe tek nak jisutu jo kini ki nangalam kijungi tinggi I kata.
The Nongport Regional Auto Rickshaws Drivers and Owners Association elected new office bearers for the 2024 to 2027 term at a general meeting held yesterday at Dorbar Hall, Yomolong. Due to the prolonged absence of members and the former president, the decision was made to re-elect all office bearers. The new office bearers were formally confirmed by Nongpor MLA Miralbon Aim, Traffic in Charge Rubul Ali and other dignitaries, with over 200 drivers and owners representing 9 units in attendance.
Kaba nungkong bangin long kita ki driver na ni try in penekam dari tim isli ibatit replay aba di customer la ni kinong song foto dong sekali kelak di CEO kelak di Poya tapi kita goi ke dekat sekali di dekat begitu ba ka foto tadi klien jam di apa PM jam kasi dan kamai mon pa ka pongsan ha ke jingene ke jumpi bagi customer ni dan di passenger ni semua banda penekam dari tim isli kepada anak kor ibatit.
Yesterday, Sadon Kebla, president of the HNYF central body, administered the oath to new HNYF leaders for the 2024 to 2027 term at the Auditorium Hall of Umsning Town Dorbar. The ceremony was graced by Nongpor MLA Miralbon Aim, Umsning Town Dorbar Chairman Ricky Kala and other local headmen and HNYF leaders. The new leadership team for the northern region includes Hetsing Lingdor as President, Alfred Malay as General Secretary and M. Mani as Organizing Secretary amongst others.
Free of speech, kalau ni nak bukan, ni nak konsumau, nak tagi dendam, nak tagi mat, kibabun, nak bentar dong bertahan itu. Balai bagi sen halang kibadam, HNYF perlu kedai koi kedai kita. Kibalong punga jinti, manpun, ya ki isu kibadam dikipai ba, manpun boy, sya kesorka.
Over 700 individuals from Garo Hills and Shillong have been defrauded in a Ponzi scam over the past 2 years, with losses exceeding 1 crore rupees. The scam, promising high returns, has connections to interstate and international accounts, including those in Hong Kong. Superintendent of Police Pankaj Kumar Razgania confirmed the registration of over 8 related cases across Garo and Khasi Hills. He urged caution against fraudulent apps and investment schemes as cybercrime incidents surge in the state.
Such scam that has happened, and the application that was used is Datamir or Datamir AAAI. So that is DAI. So what this group does, like how it started, one of the persons from Meghalaya, one prime accused, he came across one link on social media. So that link told that if you want to earn good money, you invest in this app which is based on cryptography. So if you invest good money, then he will get returns up to 30%, 40%, which generally is not available in any kind of investment. So getting this, luring into this high investment, high returns. So these people, he installed this application and he invested his own money. So whatever people had invested, they could not withdraw from their app, and that is when they came to know that this was a fraud app and the entire investment is scam. It got busted. So we have arrested a few people in this, and the investigation is going on. In fact, there are more than 8 cases which are registered in this case, and some of them are in Garo Hills, some of them are in Khasi Hills, and they all are being investigated together.
The Meghalaya Hindi Prachar Parishad marked National Hindi Day with enthusiasm yesterday at Hotel Night Inn. The event featured speakers from various fields discussing the significance and promotion of Hindi alongside cultural performances by Guwahati artists. The celebration also included honouring individuals from diverse professions. Established by teacher Sakal Deep Rai, the organisation has long been dedicated to promoting Hindi in Meghalaya. The 15th District Open Badminton Championship 2024 concluded yesterday at Senraj Indoor Sports Hall, Tpep Palay Jowai, after 6 days of fierce competition organised by the West Jaintia District Badminton Association. The event saw Josefina Dalapasa and Mebanke Shulai win the mixed doubles. Mebanke Shulai clinched the men's singles open, and Risami Pasa and Delang Wao Nongplo secured the men's doubles open titles. Other winners included Ram Najar in men's singles 35+, and Lemon Nelson Suchang in the under-19 boys singles. The championship was attended by notable figures including Kru Bokpasa and former WJDBA President J.M. Poskam. The weather report. Minimum temperature 17.7 degrees Celsius, maximum temperature 22.0 degrees Celsius. Relative humid in the morning was 83%, relative humid in the evening was 88%. Light to moderate rainfall and thunder shower is very likely to occur at many places. Before we wind up, let's take a look at the headlines once again. PM Modi launches 6 Vande Bharat trains and 650 crore projects in Jharkhand. MP Dr. Ricky A.J. Sincon visits Dawki Land Port Authority, assesses operation. Meghalaya Assembly Committee inspects industrial plants in East Jaintia Hills. Meghalaya Food and Civil Supply Minister Kamingwan Ombon reacted to cow slaughtering issue. HNYF Free Boys swears in new leaders for 2024-2027 term. That is all we have for the news this evening. Till we meet again, good night.